Check out that work, bro. You know where we at? Big Daddy Sheep. I'm over here getting my exhaust bung watered in. We got the vet outside. We got fresh kicks. Well, it used to be fresh kicks Audi. That shit is sick. AM C63 AMG. Shit is nice, bro. So we over here chilling. I'm getting my bong watered in. Got the Lambo up there. Ferrari. Evo. Sheepy race though. So we're gonna see how this bong look compared to the Go Autoworks, you know, pie cuts. The difference. Because you know both of the work is quality, so yeah. So hopefully we can, you know, take a little closer look around the facility before we leave. And yeah, catch you guys in a bit. We got the C63 up here. Nice. My Sheepy, of course. V8 turbo. And then we got one of his customers' cars. I don't know what's done to this bad boy, but you got a plenum stuck out the hood. This shit is crazy. The Z06. Sheepy race. Manual, of course. But like, you know, some type of radios. Let me see. I can't even tell what radio is he on right now. And then we got the R888 Audi R8 from Fresh Kicks. Shit is nice, real nice. Shit is sick. We got a Focus RS. That's over here. We got the Lambo. Before we look at that though, check out this Porsche. It's not Porsche, it's Porsche. Get it right. So clean. Like it got titanium tips. Man, this thing is nice. Check out the fucking interior, dude. Jeez. Man, this thing is clean. Yellow seat belts. Oh, gosh. Wet, baby, wet. So wet. And you know we got the trusty the trusty Civic right here though. And it's automatic. the little coupe. This Benz is nice too though. R888s, of course. Look at that, check that out. White Lambo, big ass brakes. I don't know if it's twin turbo or not though. Look at that. Pilot Sports Cup 2s. Got the motor though. That V10 baby. Got the carbon fiber wing on it. Nice. Hey Alex, can I show this or no? You good? All right. Hey, check this out, bro. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all involved is very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing a section. Gotta cherish the present. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession. Got the bong loaded. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm in the venue, it's packed. I'm digging her accent. I got a BB Simon belt on me and she trying. Manifolds, nice. Is that Alex? That's my type. She's mad. Good shit, Alex. Good shit. Oh, good. So that's what we're talking about, baby. You good? Oh, hey, Alex, you left the money on the seat? Yeah, it's right. All right, and I gave it to. Yeah. All right, sure. Thank you, my man. Thanks a lot, boy.
Stop by anytime, my bro. God bless.
You too. All right, we up out of here. Got the bong loaded. Now that's quality, baby. Hell yeah.
That's what we talking about. Much love to Alex at Sheepy Race. Check out this Focus RS. It's pretty nice. Some inkies. Real nice aftermarket front end cooler. How you doing? Good, good. Alright, so that's it though. Bond loaded, looking nice. So let's head back to the house and install this on the CRX. Okay, we're filming on the iPhone right now. Y'all see that the footage look a little bit different. That's because, yeah, iPhone, not the GoPro. But yeah, just came back from Sheepy Race. Got the bung welded in, looking real nice. And that Go Autoworks quality. So good. So let me set you guys up and let's install this on the hatch. I went to this other exhaust shop, right? And they was like, "Oh, we can't weld a bung in there. That's titanium." I'm like, dude, what the hell? That's not titanium, dude. I was just like, all right, dude. Okay, yeah, whatever. But I just took my downpipe and just bounced. Okay, so now we got the downpipe bolted on, and let me show you guys how it looks. Looking real nice. So now we just gotta hit it with the O2, connect the O2 sensor, and we're fine. We gotta get some fuses. Battery is charged. Had it on the battery tender all night. We just gotta connect the ECU. I think I need a ground wire because I don't have one coming from. I took that out. So I gotta buy a ground kit and some fuses. And then after that, we can start this bad boy. So yeah. But this your boy, S.I. Rico. Much love to Alex at Sheepy Race. Thanks for welding the bung in on a blink of an eye. I needed it done, like, you know, ASAP. So thank you, Alex. Much love. We'll be going back to Sheepy Race, you know, just getting to know everybody later on in the future. And yeah, hopefully we'll be starting this bad boy soon. But this your boy, S.I. Rico, and hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm out. Peace! Welcome.